So today for the Friday specialties, I told you that we are talking about the traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena. The traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena is a unique product that can only be found here in the province of Modena and Reggio Emilia. And if you come here, when it will be possible to come here again, I will be really pleased to take you to the private acetaie, traditional balsamic vinegar farms, or to the museum in Spilamberto. So today I will show you a special interview made by Barabar of Try Taste, our special correspondent today, at the museum in Spilamberto.
Hi to everyone, and today for Friday specialty we talk about traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena, PTO, and we are going to the museum of traditional balsamic vinegar. We are in Spilamberto, the province of Modena. So let's go in. I'm here with Cristina, the museum director, and we talk about traditional balsamic vinegar.
Hello.
And Cristina, what exactly is the traditional balsamic vinegar and how is it produced?
Traditional balsamic vinegar is a very special vinegar. It is produced in the Modena area solely with grape juice of vines grown in Modena, in the province of Modena. Once you have cooked the juice, you have to fermentate it and transform it into vinegar. Then our vinegar is aged in sets of barrels of different woods, and those you see here. Come and have a look what's inside our barrels.
Oh yes, please.
Look. Here you can see a very dark liquid, and the surface is like a mirror. Here it rests for minimum 12 years to have a basic traditional balsamic vinegar, or it has to wait 25 years to become the extraordinary, well-aged traditional balsamic vinegar called extra vecchio, extra old. The delicious vinegar with a syrupy consistency that we use on our dishes.
Cristina, how we can recognize the real one from the imitation?
When you want to buy traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena, you must pay attention to the bottle. Traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena can be sold only in a bottle of this size and shape. It was designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro just for this vinegar. If you look at the bottle from one side, you should be able to recognize the shape of a barrel seen from the front.
Wow, beautiful.
And if the cap covering the cork is colored, this one is red for example, then the vinegar inside the bottle has been aged minimum 12 years. Instead, if the cap covering the cork is golden and you can read extra vecchio on the label, somewhere on the label, then the vinegar inside the bottle has been aged minimum 25 years.
Wow.
Always remember the bottle, pay attention to it. The vinegar inside is 100 milliliters, 3.3 ounces.
Okay, thank you so much.
Here we have a special item, a bottle dated 1785.
Ooh.
Over 200 years ago, someone in Modena bottled their vinegar and they forgot about the bottle. The bottle was found at the beginning of this century in a private house, and they brought it here, opened, tasted the vinegar inside, was still excellent after over 2 centuries.
Oof. It's possible?
Yes, it is. Traditional balsamic vinegar has an expiry date because it's compulsory, but it remains good for centuries. It's a tradition that we pass generation after generation through a female line, and in families the tradition says that any time a baby girl is born, we should start a new set of barrels. So when the girl gets married, the barrels are part of her dowry, and she goes into the new house with a set of barrels with good vinegar inside. As it takes so long to have very good vinegar, we start immediately. You can taste our vinegars. Among them, we offer a special vinegar among special vinegars. This is a traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena, aged minimum 25 years, in barrels made of juniper wood, a very rare wood. And it's very aromatic, and it transmits its aroma to the vinegar. It's very, very special. Would you like to taste it?
Oh, I would love.
Please, have a spoon. See, it has a syrupy consistency.
Wow.
Look.
Wow.
And the flavor is very, very intense. You would love it.
I'm sure. It's delicious. So, so good. Thank you, Cristina. Buono. Thank you, Cristina, for this beautiful experience, and I hope to see you soon.
I hope to see you soon, Barbara. See you. Goodbye.
Bye, bye everyone.
Unfortunately, our Friday specialties appointments are finished. I hope it will be possible to visit again our wonderful region very soon, and I will be by your side. Anyway, let's see what Monica and Barbara of Try and Taste are going to prepare with this fantastic condiment.
Hi Cecilia, hi everyone, and today I'm very excited to show you how to prepare a typical pasta shape called tortelloni, paired with the traditional balsamic vinegar, minimum 25 years old. So, let's start. I have already stretched the pasta, and now we are going to cut into square to make tortelloni. I use the pasta cutter, but if you haven't, you can use a simple knife. The filling is very simple. We have a good quality of ricotta cheese and Parmigiano 36-month aging and salt. We put in the middle. We make a tortelloni. Fold in a triangle, and we turn around the fingers, and this is another tortellone. We are going to cook. We use a non-stick saucepan over medium heat. We add extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons, and a garlic clove. We add the lean bacon cut into cubes. And leave to cook for about 5 minutes. I add just a little bit of cream. And cook for more 3 minutes. We remove the garlic and the tortelloni. I add grapes cut into cubes, and we put in the saucepan. Voila, that's done. I have to complete the dish with the traditional balsamic vinegar. I show you. This is the extra hold, and I put just some drops. Wow. and as usual, I have to taste it. So good, you will love the flavor. This is our last rendezvous for Friday specialty. We hope to enjoy and we hope to see you soon in the Emilia-Romagna region to taste the specialty and have a look at our website for a special cooking class paired with the traditional balsamic vinegar. Bye everyone, and cheers!